Assalamu alaikum grade 4. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are having a practical session related to lesson 4.3, two messages, page number 58 and 59. Today the day is Sunday and the date is 10 May 2020. So let's go forward to see what's there for the tutorial. So see, on page number 58, we are going to have a lesson 4.3, two messages. In last ICT theory session, we already discussed what is input and output. If I ask from a sprite, what is your name? And then I enter my name and the sprite gives me the output, that is my name, right? So now we know what is input and output. Coming towards how to use this input and output in different ways. So today we are going to create a small math quiz. You can even try with English, you can even try with science, it's all up to you. When you know how to create a coding of a certain animations, you can change according to you. It's all up to you then. So let's see what is the objective today. You will learn. Let's make it zoom so it is easy for you to see. Yes, better. And let's go up. Great. So you will learn. What are we going to learn today? Number one, what an if statement is. So we are going to learn what is an if statement today. Number two, how to use if to control output. So the main point that we are going to discuss today is the if statement. And what is it and why we are going to use it? Let's see. In the next two lessons, you will make a new program. This program will ask a simple math question. So we are going to ask a maths question and they have given us here, for example, what is 4 plus 3? Let you input your answer. So for example, I enter answer 7. Output a message saying if you are right or wrong. So if I write 7, the sprite should say that yes, you are correct or you are right. Or if I type, for example, 12, so the sprite should say sorry, it's incorrect, or it should say sorry, or maybe it should say try again. It's about how you are giving the output. For example, I give the output of Hajira and then it showed me the name Hajira. So it's up to you how you want the output and the input to be. In this lesson, you will start to build the program. We will make the sprite ask the question, what is 4 plus 3? So here we have all the steps and we are going to do this. I will explain you this in the tutorial right now. Now let's discuss this. See what is if statement. You want the computer to choose a reply. That reply means the output. If you input the right answer, that is 7, the computer will say you are right. So this is my input and this is my output. If you input a different number, for example 12, 13, 20, any random number, the computer will say you are wrong. So we have two conditions. If I put 7, the computer should say you are right. And if I put any other number, the computer should say you are wrong. An if statement is a way to choose between two outputs. So here we have two outputs, right? You are right and you are wrong. But how the computer will know that the answer is right or wrong? The computer will know with the help of this code, if statement. How it is working, we can see here. Make a test. Now what is the test? What is 4 plus 3? This is the input, right? And I told the computer already that if the answer is true, the output should be you are right. And if the answer is false, the output should be you are wrong. So there are two conditions. If true, give me this output. If false, give me this output. So this is how the if statement works. Let's read. It has a test and two different outputs. The computer uses the test. This is the test, the question. The computer uses the test to choose which output to show. Now how this is working, don't worry. I will just explain you in the tutorial inshallah right now. Let's go to the next page and see what's there in the next page. So here, page number 59. Let's make it zoom. Great. So this lesson you will put the two messages into the program. And what are the two messages? You are right and you are wrong. So these are the steps that we are going to follow today. And then here is the whole explanation. We are going to do this today. Let's read the activity that we are going to follow. Create the program. Show in this lesson these steps. You can pick any simple math quiz that you like. So it's up to you. In the book it is given what is 4 plus 3. Maybe you can change the numbers. What is 5 plus 5? What is 6 plus 5? It depends on you. You all are right now programmers, right? So you can choose your own backdrop or a background. You can choose your own sprite and you can choose your own sentences as well. Do not run the program yet. So that means the program is not complete. Why? Because this area is empty. So for the tutorial I am going to put here and your program will be complete so that you can understand easily. Remember to save your work. So we are going to save our work as well. So let's start with the tutorial. The scratch is already here. I have just created whatever the activity is given to explain you how it works, and then I will create by myself in front of you right now. So in the book it is given choose the events block, which is very important to start any game, right? So when the sprite clicked, so this is the sprite, when this is clicked it will ask what is 4 plus 3, and then it will wait. Why it will wait? Because I have to input a number, right? So now this is my if statement. So what is it saying? If the answer that I input here is equals to 7. So this is you have already done in maths, right? Equal to, lesser than, or greater than. So if my answer is equal to 7, then what the computer should do? Say correct for 2 seconds, or you can say you are right. In the book it is you are right and I changed to correct. So it's up to you. Else means if the answer is not equal to 7, I just write here 10. Then what should the computer do? Say sorry, try again. Or you can write same like in your book, that is you are wrong for 2 seconds. So this is how we are going to make a script. Now how does this work? Let's click on the sprite. What is 4 plus 3? It is 7. And you can click here or you can press enter. Correct. See? Now let's click again. What is 4 plus 3? I will write a wrong answer, for example 10. Let's see what the sprite says and click here. Sorry, try again. So this is how the activity that is here in the book 58 and 59 will work. So let's start. I will just click on new because I want the new one so I can create in front of you. I will delete this sprite. Let's choose a backdrop. Let's choose a backdrop. Okay, let's choose this one. Great. And let's choose a sprite. Let's choose, for example, go to people. And in the people we can choose okay, let's choose this one. And let's keep it here. If you want to make the size big or small, you can do it from here. Let's make it 150. It's all up to you. So I want it to be like this. Great. Now you can even change the direction from here. So I don't want to change the direction, so let it be like that. You can change the name. So for example, I want to put a name Noora and click on enter. So you got the name here, Noora. Now the first step, when this sprite clicked. The second step, ask. So the ask one is here in the sensing. You will go to sensing and see here, ask. It's what's your name, but I want to change. So what is, let's change to 5 plus 5 and question mark. Then the next block is if. So if you want if statement or you want any loop, so you have to go to control, because we are controlling the computer with these conditional blocks. These are known as conditional blocks. So I will take if and else. Great. Now the other step is say. So we will go to motion, we will go to looks and say hello for 2 seconds, but I want to change hello to you, or we can write good. It's all up to you. And let's change this time to, for example, 4 seconds. And same, we have to take this again and put it here, and we can write here, sorry, try again. So now what should be here? If the answer that I type is equals to 5 plus 5, what is it? Very good, 10. So we will again go to operators. In operators, we will take this one. Drag, and here we will drop. So here we will change this to 10, and here I should put answer. So that is going to be in the sensing, or I think in the looks. Sensing, yeah, here. So let's take this one, answer. So what is 5 plus 5? Let's explain again for a good revision. When the sprite is clicked, so when I click the sprite, ask what is 5 plus 5. So she will ask what is 5 plus 5. Then when I enter, for example, 10, the computer will calculate that answer is equals to 10. So the computer says yes. So it will give me the output good for 4 seconds. But if I type, for example, 20, so the computer will calculate and see that, oops, the answer is not equal to 10. So it will give me the output, sorry, try again. We can change the timing for this as well. So let's make it 5 seconds. And even we can change the events block. We can put in event blocks, we can put when green flag clicked, when space bar key pressed. I'm just following this because it is in the book. So you can take any event block from here and drag it here. So let's try. When the sprite is clicked, what is 5 plus 5? So if I write 20 and click, sorry, try again. So it will appear for 4 seconds and then it will finish. See? Now if I again press the sprite, what is 5 plus 5? And I type 10. And enter or click here. So good. And if I want to stop, I can stop from here. It will stop automatically after 5 seconds. But in case I don't want to wait for 5 seconds, I can click on the red button and stop the game. So this is how you can create. Even you can put your English questions, you can put your science questions. It's all up to you. So the activity right now is complete according to your book, page number 58 and 59. Dear students, it's very important to practice, and yes, practice. So I will be waiting for your pictures, your videos, and you can save your work from here and send it to me. So how to save? Don't forget, save to your computer and it will show you in downloads, and you can attach this through your email and send it to me. Till then, please stay home to stay safe and take care. Bye bye.